That viral transparent PC case you saw, it's literally thermal throttling your $2,000 GPU right now. So we're ranking transparent PC builds from mid-aesthetic theater to federal crime performance sabotage energy using actual temperature data receipts. Number 3, RGB case flexors. Looks insane, runs 8 degrees hotter, still playable, but you're paying $300 extra to watch your GPU suffer in HD. Number 2, liquid cooling transparent cases. These are the ones influencers are getting paid to promote. They're showing 15 to 20 degrees Celsius spikes on gaming benchmarks compared to standard cases. No cap. Thermal throttling starts at 83 degrees and your $2,000 card is basically a space heater at that point. But here's where it gets insane. Number 1 worst offender? The ones with zero airflow mesh that just look pretty. Literally, federal crime energy. 91,000 views an hour and 24 million total views on these builds while people's GPUs are literally cooking themselves to death. Follow us on Instagram at ZapShorts for the ones that didn't make it to YouTube. Bro, am I the only one who thinks this? Let me know.